let's talk about the composition of two functions. So in this problem, we are following some notation. Let's have a look at the first one. This is just information that we need to solve this, and we're going to start with this one. This notation can be read like this. W follows is that little circle, the U of 2. And so what we're going to do is work completely backwards. We're going to start with the U of 2, and then we're going to take that and put it into the W. So let's start with the U of x equals x squared plus 3. And what we're going to do is put this number in for x. So I have the U of 2. That's not doing any calculating there. That's just a way of noting that this is our output, or our what we often call y. And we're going to plug in 2 right here, squared plus 3. 2 squared is 4. And 4, okay, I knew something was happening here. That's a 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. So I know that the U of 2 is 7. So I have the first part of this done. I need to now take that and put it into W for my final step. So I have the W of x equals the square root of x plus 2. And I am going to calculate the W of 7, which just means put the 7 in where the x is. So I have 7 plus 2, which is the square root of 9, and the square root of 9 is 3, and so the W of 7 equals 3. So my first answer here is going to be 3. All right, for the second one, I am doing U follows the W of 2. And so instead of W, I have U follows the W of 2. So I'm going to start with the W of 2, and I have W of x equals the square root of x plus 2. So let's just go ahead and calculate the W of 2. Square root of, plug in the 2 instead of the x, 2 plus 2. The square root of 4 is 2. So I know that the W of 2 is 2. And then I'm going to take that number and put it into this final step. So U follows all of that. We know that the W of 2 is 2. And so we're going to plug in 2. So we have U of 2 equals, we've actually done the math for this one already over here, and so we know that that equals 7. So let's go back and look at the final answers. We have 2, the first one was 3 and the second one was 7. So we can look at the explanation here and go down here to see them solve the same thing and get the same answers.